Hey, this is a quick video on how to use my kitchen renovation checklist. This is a actual planner bundle, so it has the checklist and all the other things that are added to it. I do have the checklist available by itself and the whole bundle. So just to tell you a little bit about it, this is the Google Sheets version, and so here we have the date. You're welcome to double click on the date and choose a date, or you can just manually type in a date. You can change the project name, choose a goal date. Supplies, you're welcome to change this and put whatever items you would like. Check it off when it's done. Budget here, so if you wanted to rename this, and if the budget's different, just double click in there, put in your budget, and it will add everything up here, and it will add everything there. So this is your budget, and that's actually how much you spent. Here's your shopping list, add to it, check it off when it's done. This is the Google Sheets version. The Excel version will look a little different. It will not have the checkboxes on it. And then in the place where you would have a checkbox, you'll just put an X for wherever you bought the item. So that will be just a little bit different there. This is an blank sheet, so once you click on the tab, you can get to the blank sheet and use that and fill it out how you like. This is the renovation planner, so you can plan your renovation, check it off when it's done, put your status. And then you can just put in information. If there's a person that's doing the work for you, the start date, the due date, estimated cost, and time to complete, and notes. We've got your idea list. So if there's different ideas, you're welcome to change this. Use the edit button and then put another item here. You could hit enter for another one, remove, or hit done. Yes, apply to all. If you do this in Excel, it will be a slightly different. You have to go to the data validation section to use that. Vendor research log. This is just researching people that might work for you. Put in the information, the contact name, email, category, website, time to complete, cost, amount paid, and balance due. And then I've got totals down here at the bottom. And then to-do list. As you put in the number, I think this moved. That's not fun, is it? Okay, so we've got, due date, and then if it's complete, once it's complete, this will kind of move. This part does not work in Excel, so it's just better to use it in Google Sheets. And then we've got the project budget. We've got budget category, labor, budget, and it'll calculate that for you. So that's the whole kitchen renovation checklist and planner bundle. You can click on the read me section. It'll have the link to the YouTube video once I'm done with this video. So that's that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com. Have a great day.